Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use the distributive property and extend that to binomial distribution. To solve this equation, you have to multiply 3 by x and 3 by y, as the arrows indicate. 3 times x is 3x, 3 times y is 3y. For this problem, you have to multiply 4 by x squared and 4 by 9y, and 4 times x squared is 4x squared. 4 times 9y is 36y. For this problem, the signs of the numbers will change because we are multiplying a negative number. So I would do negative 8 times x to the fourth and negative 8 times negative 3xy. Negative 8 times x to the fourth is negative 8x to the fourth. Negative 8 times negative 3xy is positive 24xy. For this problem, you have to multiply 5 by x cubed and 5 by negative 9y. 5 times x cubed is 5x cubed. 5 times negative 9y is negative 45y. This problem right here uses binomial distribution. To do this equation, you have to multiply 3 by 4 and then 3 by y, as the arrows indicate. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times y is 3y. Now for x, you do the same thing. Multiply x by 4, which is 4x, and x times y, which is xy. Same thing for this next equation. 3x times 3 is 3x. X times x is x squared. Y times 3 is 3y. Y times x is xy. Just to be clear, this is x squared. For this problem, you will do 2x times 4x, which is 8x squared, and then 2x times 9y, which is 18xy. Then 3y times 4x, which is 12xy. And then 3y times 9y, which is 27y squared. For this problem, we actually aren't done yet because we can still simplify even further. We can do 8x squared, and we could combine these two into just 30xy. And then add 27y squared, and this is supposed to be squared here. If this video was helpful to you, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.